Welcome to the Goldilocks story of ecology, episode W. W is for water. Water is called the liquid of life. Planet Earth is mostly water. Huge oceans and seas surround the smaller land area our species calls home. Water combines two chemical elements, oxygen and hydrogen, to form a stable solvent for chemical compounds. It combines with other chemicals, provides transportation for those compounds, and mixes with the other 6 parts of the environment. Wind moves the moist, warm air. Because the water gets colder when it rises into higher, cool air, it condenses back into a liquid, making clouds and then rain. It even changes into a solid, making sleet, hail, and snow. Sheets of ice, glaciers, and floating icebergs affect global weather patterns. Water does not act like other chemical elements because when it is a solid, it is less dense than when it is a liquid. If ice were like iron or gold, it would sink to the bottom of the ocean instead of floating. At 4 degrees centigrade, the molecules of water expand. This is one of the things that makes water so special. By changing from a solid to a liquid to a gas and back again, water absorbs and releases heat from and to its surroundings. Water is a very important substance in keeping the planet in the safe temperature range for life. Gravity sets limits for the range the water can go. Water vapor can go only so high in the air and so far down into the earth. Water is heavy and you can feel its power in the surf or running streams and rivers. Water can erode high hills and change the shape of the environment. Earth can be pushed and pulled from one place to another. Mountains become beaches because water and river channels bring silt to deltas where wetlands abound. All of this is done with the power of water flowing downhill because of the pull of gravity. Plants adapt to water in many ways so they can develop a Goldilocks niche. Creosote bush sends its roots down and down to get water when it can. This shrub lives in the driest part of the desert. It grows very slowly. Pickleweed in the salt marsh removes the salt from water. When it is bathed in ocean salt water, it does well. It does really well when the water becomes brackish. That's a mixture of fresh and salt water, and it can take fresh water for a short period of time. Coyote bush has leaves shaped to trap dew so that it can get extra water at its roots. Water is another essential part of the 7 who make the environment. In fact, all living organisms have evolved to adapt to water. Biological chemistry is based on water.